Malaka with WTI, and I love my new bike mount for my phone.
I have been so pleased with my Roam Universal Phone Bike Mount. I feel like this is a really secure way to bring your phone with you on any bike ride. I really like how it's held in by the clamp holder and the silicone mesh as well. So it gives a very secure feeling. I'm pulling this and it feels very secure. This is not going to fall off. I even shook my bike vigorously and still no movement. So that was really impressive to me. And I also find that it's very easy to install. This is designed to be a universal mount so it can fit a smaller or larger, and the clamp is adjustable. So you simply select which size will fit your handlebars, and then you screw in the screw to make it very tight, and it gives a really secure feeling. You place your phone in the holder with the clamps. This is designed to fit most smartphones, so it comes with 3 different sizes of the silicone mesh, so you just pick which one will fit your phone. Also, the back has a nut that tightens to adjust the tilt. This adds to it being really secure and really gives it the perfect angle for bike riding. Overall, I think this is a great bike mount for my phone. I really like it and I hope you do too.
That's my point of view.